Okay, the whole child committee and the positivity reinforcement subcommittee have put together the new East Garner Elementary School Compass Card program. For many of you, Compass cards are new, so here is what they are going to look like in 2021. Compass cards are a tool that we'll be using to reward classes for following their maps and being especially engaged in learning. Compass cards can be earned both virtually and in person. Virtually, they can be given out for being noticeably engaged and actively participating in lessons without disruptions. In person, they are also noticed throughout the school for being engaged and actively participating in lessons and following their maps. Basically, specialists, administrations, or any other staff who are not the homeroom teacher can give out Compass cards. Homeroom teachers cannot give out Compass cards to their own class. It's always for other classrooms. They can be given out virtually and in person. Those grades that are still in cohorts will be represented by the cohort that is on campus, and they'll represent the entire class. Virtually, Compass cards will be given out using a chart that will be distributed to staff and teachers. In person, Compass cards will be given out as little green cards and be displayed outside of the classroom on charts of 10. So we're hoping students will be driven to earn Compass cards because we will be giving out rewards, and there will also be healthy competition because every time a class reaches a milestone, they receive an award and they get acknowledged on Friday morning announcements as well as on a display board outside in the main hallway. These are the awards that will be given out to both virtual and in-person students. Again, there will be some Compass card competition, healthy competition throughout the school as the Compass card milestones will be announced on Friday morning announcements and posted on the bulletin board in the hallway, as well as included in the s'more. Compass cards and Compass card charts will be distributed to grade level chairs on December 16th and will be ready to roll out beginning of school January 4th, 2021.